Alright, Brady. So I've been checking the birdhouses because it's springtime, and on top of them being chewed open pretty good, which is probably from the squirrels, I'm seeing snake sheds inside and no baby birds. So while we're out walking the dogs this morning, guess who we find? We know it's a snake doing it, right? Do you see him yet? Huh? No? How about now? Nothing? Let's look all the way up over our head. You see him sitting right there on the branch? Let's see if we can zoom in on him a little bit. See him right there? Yeah, buddy. Now you can see that mug good, can't you? When you're walking through the woods, sometimes you gotta look up for snakes too. Look at that mug. Now, you know what happens here, don't you? I'm gonna introduce him to my little friend. Any idea what that is, Braids? You reckon that'll bring him down? So we're gonna try to do this one-handed and film it at the same time. Try to get a good angle so you can see him. He's coming out of that tree. I bet you can see him right there, can't you? All right. Ready, set, send it. Sending. And that, my friend, would be our culprit. One of them, anyways. What you think there, Bubba son? And I'm pretty sure they would call that a headshot. Because that's what's left. Nice. Come on back down, buddy. We'll do some more of this. Now, what do we do with the other three we got in the tube? One shot, one kill, big boy. You want to make them dance? Huh? Yeah, let's give them a haircut. What do you say? That's what it looks like. Bird shot, close up. You ready? You ready, Bubba? All right. Let's trim a little off the top. Oh, that's got a smart. Give me another ratchet, will you? And let's go ahead and make them dance a little bit. What do you say? See if we can get this old boy to climb back up in the air one more time. Oh. We are out of rounds. I thought I had another one in there. Sorry, partner. Hope you enjoyed it. Come back soon, partner.